Hey, this is Prack with Arris PMD, and what we have here is the new Mavic Air 2, and we have been developing the Raptor skid for the past year and a half. We learned the lessons from all the previous Raptor skid, and this is after 6 months of R&D. We developed a new skid that's a lot lighter, compact, more streamlined, and really easy to attach. Simply slide into the front, snap into the back, again slide it in, snap it on, and then so with this new skid you can pretty much land anywhere. You can land on high grass, sandy surface. You don't need a helipad. The clearance is about 3 inches off the ground, and easy to catch. If you are yachting or boating, fly to you. Don't need to land on the yacht, just fly to a certain point, grab it, tilt it, and then that's it, you got it. This is extremely rugged and lightweight, and it's a great platform, especially when you use it as a steady cam. You can hold it this way and move around like as if it's a steady cam. I use it a lot for steady cam. But let's go ahead and testing. This has a new revolutionary locking system. Slide into the back, squeeze in, lock in place. Other side, slide in, lock into place, and then you have the pontoon. And look, it's extremely, it will not come off. It is rigid. You cannot break it off, okay? So this is once it's on, it is on.